you pilot lads and hear a tale so grand about a noble in a blue-white ship, the finest in the land. He saw a pirate fleet, boys, and he rubbed his noble hands, said those are my glory tokens scattered on the stellar sands. Rejoice, you grimy mongrels, your last purpose now is clear, to be the stepping stones upon my glorious career. Your ships are rust, your lives are dust compared to my renown. I'll use your wreckage to polish my hereditary crown. He puffed his chest and cleared his throat and opened up the line, and fed those filthy pirates words as smooth and rich as wine. Come chase me, you unworthy curse, my title's on the plate. I am the grand and glorious Count OZZGAR von Snifflegottch. And it's OZZGAR, OZZGAR, platinum sword in hand. He came to banner just to claim the ragged band. He baited them with boasting, a sight you had to see. Then we shot them into scrap while he collected the glory fee. Oh, glory shines. Ha ha! They took the bait of foolish shots with greed inside their hearts. They thought they'd bag a blue blood and then tear his ship apart. They chased his shiny decoy, oh it was a pretty sight, while 99 of us just waited hidden in the night. Is that the best your thrusters have? My grandmother's steam lifts faster. You fly like drunken losers fleeing from disaster. I'm slowing down for charity to let you feel the hope, before I crush it with the weight of my celestial scope. He led them on a merry dance, my you are somewhat slow. My glory needs a better grade of villain, don't you know? Then he gave the signal, lads, the moment it was right. We switched off all the holograms and switched on all the lights. And it's OZZGAR, OZZGAR, platinum sword in hand. He came to banner just to claim a ragged band. He baited them with wasting, a sight you had to see. Then we shot them into scrap while he collected the glory fee. Trap was sprung, boys, and their freighters started dying. Our count was not done boasting while the pirate lords were crying. Behold my art of war, you crude, aesthetically bereft hordes. Your deaths are but the first brushstrokes my legend here accords. I gift you this, your finest hour, to perish by my name. Your stories end in nothing, mine begins with endless fame. Now with this, glory shines upon the platinum sword. Race a blast to OZZGAR, the platinum sword, and fought the brightest glory sprung a fighter when has guns. He tries to fire, we draw the beads, it's really quite a deal. We get to kill the pirates and he gets the glory.